Okay.
Open the door.
Uh-oh.
The door just shut. Oh, there he goes!
Oh. Think it.
Alright, let's go!
Where are you?
I'm in the cupboard!
Get out of here!
You turned the light on! Where are you? And I'm so sorry! Oh my, oh dude. Right, listen.
Poker dice? Poker?
Poacher dice.
You took all of our tools. I did it. Stop it. We're doing it.
You're such a jerk.
Stop turning the lights off. Turn the breaker off again. Quit shutting the lights off.
Yoo-hoo! William! I don't care whose team I'm on. I didn't like that at all.
Hello, everyone.
Oh, that was the worst.
Whoa! No!
Oh, it's hunting right now.
Oh no! I said it was safe to come out during the hunt, and Scar believed me.
Look at that. Just leave it there for just 1 second. I just need to see some dots. I just need to see some ghost orbs. Come on. Right there. Just want to stay right there. That's a good shot, right?
You have to look at the mouse to make it go. Yeah! One of them's dead!
Whoa!
Oh! You better click it quick!
No.
Hey! We win! Yeah!
Oh,
you can't make ghostly noises anymore because the ghost just be like, I'm here. Doosh, 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 doosh. Hey! Woo!
I did not like that. I didn't like that. That's for this. Get out!
Oh, he pushed his face through the wall.
Here, you guys. I'm having some trouble here.
We're back, baby! We're back!
And he can't even
Yeah!
hear me. This is the worst.
Woo! Okay, we're back in business. He's just carrying around a cross.
Thing, guys, I can't see anything, and it's really dark.
Lisa! 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 Oh, Lisa! Teehee. I just freaked out Scar. No! No! Yeah, I'm not gonna hold on to it. It talked to me through that. Oh, it's hunting. It's hunting. Oh, look, I did it. The moon. The fool. Don't close that door. Don't close that door. Oh, the ghost is there. Impulse, there's a ghost. No, there is. I saw the ghost. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Did you get a picture of my bone skins
Hello?
that I found?
We got spirit box. Yeah.
I don't want to play this game anymore. No, that's it for me. I don't want to play. I don't even know what she said. She said something. I said hello, and she went.
All right, Grian, where were you standing?
I don't know where I was. I'm going back in the van. I don't want to play this game. This is a stupid game. Why don't we go back to Barbecue Simulator and I can pee on burgers and not play this stupid game anymore?